So I got this online on eBay because my Chaser climate control thing doesn't have this electronic screen, and the buttons, a lot of them, like, kind of, you have to really hold them down to get it to turn off. I guess it's a common Toyota thing. So I bought this, so I'm gonna go put that in now. So let's head over there. So pretty much what happened is, I'm gonna show you what happened now. So if you look, like, you have to really hold down these buttons to get them to turn on. And that one sometimes won't even turn on. And like this one, and like these, like they really, like, see, like that, that's how you have to do it. And then you see you have to really, like, hold, like, the off down. You really have to hold it down to get it off. And like these work fine, but like these sometimes get wonky. The auto doesn't work. Like, that stuff needs to get replaced. So all we need to do is we need to unclip this. So we pull up, there should be clips, pull that off, okay? So that's off now. And hang on. And so I don't know if we need to, yeah, we're gonna have to take the, we're not gonna take the shift boot off. We're just gonna kind of hold it like that. And see, there's, ooh, is that a Japanese coin? Or is that just like a piece of metal? Never looked down here before. No, this is a piece of metal. Shit, I thought that was something. Let's look here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to pull that out. These are just held in by clips. So it's not like it's a big deal, but, and now there should be a wiring harness in front of here. Little, come on. There, so it's almost off. Come on. This one's a little tight, I don't know why. Hoping for some, like, souvenirs in here, like some Japanese souvenirs. Hopefully there's, I think that's what it is. Never really done this, so, oh, let me turn that off. That's just gonna add more battery power and draw on it. Okay, I see here. Okay, I think there's a wire harness holding that in, so that's gonna be tough to get out. But let me just see. It's just like, no, I don't know how to get this off. This might be a little difficult. Let me stop it for a second. It doesn't matter. So what I did here is I put this on. I just had to take off the cigarette lighters. Now I'm gonna get I'm gonna get a wrench. I have the wrench man coming over to get it. So here it is, and it's kind of cool to see actually what, like, parts are in here that you don't really see every day. I need to get a screen in here, so that's probably, I'll have to take this off when I get a screen in here. That's cool, but I don't know, whatever. But it's cool. I had to take off those cigarette lighter things, and now it should just be coming any second. So while it's here, I'm going to show you this. Like, I need to get this back to wood. I'm trying to find a, what? And like I said, this is another thing I'm going to say, don't try at home. We know what we're doing, because you could break your wood trim if you're doing this. Just be careful. It's not super easy to break, but just be careful if you are doing this. This is a DIY on how to do it, though. So if you want to, like, do this, just watch carefully and take notes or whatever. But I'm just going to show you the inside a little bit. This car is really nice. I was going to, like, pretty much make this a race car. I was going to put racing seats in it, but I didn't decide to do that because it's so nice inside. It's comfortable, and it's fun. Once I get an exhaust in it that's not super, super loud like it is and obnoxious, I'll get it more comfortable. But like I said, these are not easily working, so I got a new one. It's back here. It fell here. I showed it before, but it's gonna fit right there. So it's gonna look better and be cooler. So I'm just gonna put this on the floor. It's unlocked.
Okay.
Working.
Go.
We still have to stop it. So pretty much, I'm just taking off because it's hooked on. And then, so I'm just taking it off now. So that's just pretty easy. You just gotta, it's really easy to do. It's just be careful. If you're not careful, you could break the whole wood trim and everything like that. So you just want to be careful with it and know what you're doing. So here. I have my wrench man over here who's helping me like hold the bolts so I don't lose them. And then what we'll do is and remember that's on the left side. I think it's labeled actually. It says R, so that's the left side there. So pretty much these are really easy to do. And actually I've noticed that Japanese people are really good at labeling stuff, so it's really easy to do. They're like, this is labeled right, the other one's labeled left. I did this, I had to fix the screen on my mom's Lexus before we sold it. And it had the same thing. So I guess in Japan they're just better with that stuff than here. I guess over there people work on their stuff more, which makes it more that they make it for user friendly. Unlike here that most people who, if their car breaks, they just take it to the dealership. I'm good at this. I like just taking it and working on it myself. Unless like the F-250, sometimes you just can't, like this new stuff. Sometimes this new stuff is just not easy to work on. So there it is, that'll be for sale. Not sure about the price yet. Follow me on Instagram at SRTSayers, and I'll post about it. DM me if you want to buy this. I don't know what I'm gonna price it at, not crazy, because I mean the buttons are sometimes a little touchy, but I'd say like $100 and it's yours, so. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna now test and make sure it works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this up, we're gonna just turn it on. Yep, it works. Let's see. Look at that, that's cool guys. Look at that, love that. And you see it has the modes, you can change it, AC. It's not gonna come on because the car's not on, and I don't want to turn on because the shed door's on. So now we know it works, so now we can bolt it in. So let's do that now. I have to have two hands for this, and he has to help me because you have to have somebody hold this up. This isn't a one-person job. So I'm gonna come back in like a minute or two, and I'll show you once it's in. So here it is. The AC is flashing, but here it is. You see, it has the electronic thing, and it's in Celsius, so I'm not 100% sure how to read this. I think like 25 degrees is like 70 or something. I don't know how it works. There's recirculating. See, it's LED, which I think looks really cool. The AC works. The AC. Oh, look at that compressor doesn't sound too good. I'll have to get that checked out. So it has everything, the front defrosters, the rear defrosters, all that works. Everything works. You can turn it off. You can change it. Let me turn my side up. So you can change it so it has the whatever with the front and your feet and whatever, and you can have your face. All that works. So that's a good sign. So I guess next video will probably be on how to. I'm probably just gonna talk about the Chase a little bit because I haven't really done that yet. So I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.